I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Thursday, April 26th. Today, I want to look at how to trade Expedia, which announced some awesome earnings after hours, and you can see the stock popped from 32, almost 33, clear up to like 38.50. So this has been a heck of a move on this stock, and you can see from a pattern standpoint, the stock is set to move nicely actually from here, and this is why we've had this long consolidation. And you can call this a cup and handle, but that's a heck of a long handle if that's your take. But look, the stock had been in this volatility squeeze after a long bout of consolidation, continued to sell. And this is kind of how Apple looked prior to its earnings announcement, only the difference here is Expedia traded higher for a few days, whereas Apple just kept going down and down. I don't know what everybody was thinking there, but that's for another day. Anyway, actually, that was for last week. But anyway, so the stock is up. Do you buy this thing here, right now, like after hours, or at the open tomorrow? There's no way I would do that. Now you'd have to wait and see how the stock trades after the open, and that's what I call a 59-minute trade, where you have to look and see which way the stock's going, and I have certain parameters for that work pretty darn well. Otherwise, I wouldn't have taught them, and that's in that 59-minute trader DVD set that you can find if you're interested. It's on the website. Anyway, the point is, I would be selling Expedia at the open if I was long. Would I be shorting it? No, that's not what I would do. Sometimes that's going to work, but sometimes it's not. Hence, that's why I call it a 59-minute trade as opposed to a 5-minute win. But here's what we are going to do. We're going to look at C-Trip here. Same industry, only this is a Chinese company. Stock has been trading down pretty brutally, and earnings are not due to be released until the middle of May, like the 16th. So this could be a really nice trade, kind of a sympathy trade to Expedia. You can see the stock's been moving sideways long enough to where these Bollinger Band squeezes are pretty tight. And by the way, this was a trading idea that one of our members sent to me. He said this is really setting up to be pretty nice, and now I get what he was talking about. So look for a breakout above the upper Bollinger Band, which doesn't take much to do, like basically above 2177. Give it about 50 cents. If it pops up to 22, then this stock is likely to take off to, go off to the races. So just keep that in mind. Set a price alert at, say, 21.77, and then you'll know when the stock is moving to the upside, or you can just watch it and see if you can catch it on any kind of a pullback to some point in today's range. But ultimately, it sure does look to me like this stock's about done going up, and Expedia could pull this thing to the upside. Okay, members, check out the strategy session today. A lot of stuff to cover, and so I want you to get over there right now.